Alright, and we back again with another one. Look at that beauty there. Look at that gorgeous beast. This here is labeled as a lithium. As I always say, I don't know nothing about no ball python morphs, but it's beautiful. It's labeled as a lithium. Absolute killer. That's a banger right there. I think that's a female, yeah. Female lithium ball python. Where you going, homie? Where you going? Where you going? I'll let you go back. Let's go back. I'm gonna fill up your water. Yeah. Come on. Come on. There you go. Look at that. Dang, I like the markings on the back, on the dorsal. That's real nice. That's real nice. There you go. Alright.